Hey guys! So today I'm going to review the Wahl Slow Juicer and share my honest opinion. But before we open it up, let me just tell you a little bit about it. This juicer is state-of-the-art masticating juicer designed for effortless extraction of fresh, nutrient-packed juices from a wide range of fruits and vegetables. With its robust 150-watt motor and dual-speed functionality, you have the freedom to choose between the gentle soft mode for fruits like watermelon and oranges, or the robust hard mode for tougher produce such as carrots or celery. This slow juicer also features a handy reverse function to prevent any pesky clogs during the juicing process. The juicer has an intuitive touchscreen panel, simplifying the entire juicing experience. So I'm so excited. Let's go ahead, open the box, and put it to use. So this is the juicer. This is the juicing body, and you have the auger right inside. And I want to show you, this is how it came in the box. But if you push it towards you, you can go ahead and remove everything. Go ahead and just wash everything, and then we're going to put it back together. Super easy to clean. And then let's go ahead and put this back together. We're going to place the auger in here, place the filter right in here. So when you're putting this back together, it's important to make sure that this is facing down. You'll see this arrow lines up right at the top, and this is where the pulp will disperse. So let's go ahead and place this in here, and it locks. And then, as you can see here, the arrow is right there. We're going to place the measuring cup here, and this is where the juice comes out. And then we're going to take this and place this under here, because this is where the pulp will come out. Press power, and then this lights up. So we have hard, reverse, and soft buttons flashing. At this time, you can select any function of the button to start juicing. So let's go ahead and put it on the hard mode, since we're going to be using a carrot, and we're going to press hard. Let's put some apples. And let's go ahead and add peaches. This smells so good. I am so excited. I can't wait to try this. So this right here is the pulp from the fruits and vegetables, so we can just discard that. And then here is the juice. It made about 7 ounces or 200 milliliters. Cup here. It looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It is really, really good. It is carrot juice, but has a hint of peach and apple. So this is really a good recipe, you guys. Very, very good. I would definitely recommend this juicer if you're interested. And I'll leave a link below. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I like to say that my son loved the juice, and now he's going back for seconds, but this time we are doing oranges, and he's actually making it himself, which I love.